Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. As promised, I am here with some fun summer recipes. So I'm going to go ahead and in my mixing cup, I am going to add just a little bit of warm water because as we know, warm water dissolves products way better than cold water. I'm going to start off with my liftoff, which this one is pomegranate. And if you don't already know the secret, crushing your liftoff will make it dissolve in an instant. Yes, the tablet dissolves perfectly fine, but I just prefer to crush my liftoff so that it dissolves at a snap of a finger. And you don't have to bang it, you don't have to pound it and make a lot of noise. You can literally just put a little bit of weight on there and it crushes it perfectly fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my crushed liftoff to my warm water and it instantly dissolves just like that. And then I am going to add in an NRG packet. Now this is just one serving. So if you don't have the packets, you can just scoop a half a teaspoon of NRG liftoff right into your mixing cup. And then we are going to add the regular Herbalife concentrated tea as well. And that's going to be the raspberry flavor. And it's actually going to be the same amount as the NRG tea. So with my Herbalife measuring spoon, I'm going to use the smaller side, which is a half a teaspoon. So if you don't have your measuring Herbalife spoon, go ahead and just use regular half a teaspoon and add that right on in there. And then we are going to get our aloe and we're going to be using cranberry aloe. And with my Herbalife measuring spoon again, I am going to fill the bigger side. So if you don't have a Herbalife measuring spoon, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of aloe or 3 capfuls of aloe. Either or is the same amount. So I'm adding my 1 tablespoon of cranberry aloe in there. And then I am going to get my beverage mix. This is a protein beverage mix, the wild berry flavor. If you guys have never tried this, you're totally missing out. It tastes like Kool-Aid and it's extra protein. So you're gonna go ahead and add 2 scoops of the wild berry protein beverage mix, which is absolutely amazing by itself as well, but we're gonna add that into this recipe. And this right here is my snow dust. It is like a shimmery, edible shimmery dust that you can add to drinks. And I get it from Amazon. If you click on my link in the description to this video, I have a full Amazon store. This frother that I'm using is also in the Amazon store as well. Everything that I like to use and tips and, you know, like my kitchen must-haves, I add all of that in the Amazon storefront, so it's easier for you guys to find it and click the links instead of, you know, because people were messaging me like, how do I get this? How do I get that? So go ahead. So as I was saying, sorry, I had like an itch in my throat and I had to stop recording for a second. So my Amazon storefront, you can find all of my kitchen gadgets, including my edible snow dust. So I went ahead and added all that together, frothed that together, poured it in my cup. So that's the bottom of a 24-ounce cup is what I'm using. And then as you can see, I have my mixing cup again. And I added just a little bit of water in there. And I'm grabbing my Blue Blast enhancer. This is the beverage enhancer from Herbalife. And I'm so sorry, it is not Blue Blast. I totally lied. That is blue raspberry. So I'm getting a half a teaspoon of blue raspberry. I'm sorry, because blue raspberry and Blue Blast are 2 totally different things. So this recipe calls for blue raspberry. And that is a half a teaspoon. I'm gonna go ahead and froth that up real quick. And if you don't have a frother and you're making these teas, you should totally order one because it will completely change your life. One of my subscribers actually sent me my first frother and I was just amazed. I was like, I can't believe I've been stirring this whole time. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my ice. If you don't know the trick to layering, it is definitely ice and then a little tiny bit of water. So you fill your cup all the way up with ice, add just a tiny bit of water to separate, and then you're gonna go ahead and pour your next layer color. In this case, it was blue raspberry. So now we're not gonna keep the blue, guys, because it is a summer sunset, right? So the blue raspberry is just for the flavoring. And we're gonna go ahead and grab our pineapple flavor now. And we're going to add that into our mixing cup. And you know, it's the same. It's gonna be a half a teaspoon of some pineapple. If you don't like strong teas, then just use 1/4. But gonna go ahead and put a half a teaspoon in there, and then I'm gonna grab my snow dust again, my edible shimmery stuff. So you're just gonna go ahead and tap a little bit in there. You honestly don't need a lot, and I never measure. I know I should, but I never measure the shimmer dust because you literally just tap a little bit in your cup and it's enough. So I'm gonna let you guys see a close-up real quick because you couldn't see it from far away, but do you see how cute it looks? It's such a shimmery, beautiful, like little touch to the teas. So it's perfect for a summer sunset. That was little Brooklyn. Did you see her? She was saying hi to you guys. She loves you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pour that right on the top, and that's gonna complete the tea. So if you want something a little more fancy, add a little bit of whipped cream on the top of this, and when you mix it in, when you drink it, it's so delicious. So I hope you guys like this recipe. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications, share with your Herbalife family. If you have not purchased my recipe book yet, let me know in the comments below, and I can definitely help you with that. Follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, share some love on the reels, you know how it is. And I love you guys so incredibly much. Thank you for all of the beautiful comments. Thank you for all of the beautiful direct messages. Thank you for all of the beautiful emails. The emails literally touch my heart because you're taking the time out to literally email me and tell me how much you love me, and that gives me so much fire to keep going. I appreciate all of you so very much. You don't even know. Thank you again. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, share with your Herbalife family. I have so many more recipes to share with you guys. It is an endless deal. Love all of you. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video.